7. Check your legs parallel, heels out, toes in. From here, rotation from the right side. 1, 360-degree long. 6, 7. Namaste. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Take the belt and stand. Stand your hands first. Take the belt and stand your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check the legs. 6, 7. Check your legs parallel, heels out, toes in. Parallel toes, heels are out, toes are gently in. You are not doing this. From here, press the toes, raise your heels. 1, 2, 3. Suck the navel. 4. Squeeze the glute. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, forward fold. 1. Hands straight, belt straight. Inhale, back. 2. Exhale, forward fold. 3. Inhale, back bend. 4. Exhale, forward fold. 5. From here, rotation from the right side. 1, 360-degree long. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 6. Going back. Inhale, coming forward. Exhale. Last one. Exhale, holding down in a forward fold. Holding down in a forward fold. Extend the hands forward. Extending your hands forward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding in the position, take the hands back and hold your belt. Holding the belt. Now from here, the hands will go up and body is down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend the knees, sit down in Malasana. Take the hands up with the belt. 1, 2, 3, palms facing forward. 4, 5, 6, 7. Rotation from other side. 1. Go up. 2. Come up, come up, come up. 3. दूसरा वाला है ना, दूसरा साइड बचा हुआ था ना. 5, 6. बेल्ट लूज नहीं करना है. 7, 8, 9. Have your breath. And the last one, 10. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand straight and then do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relaxed.